Steve here at the DJ Lab, and I want to share with you the #1 mistake that people make when they come over to my studio and they play on CDJs. Let me show you. It all starts with RekordBox. So in RekordBox, when you analyze your music, you're going to have your key here. Now this is what they call the classic key. This is not easy to mix with. It doesn't really work when you're doing the Camelot wheel. So go into your gear icon here, real easy, up in the search, just type in key. If I can spell correctly, key. And you want to say, click right here, alphanumeric, and now we've switched over. So you've got that, but now what you need to do is when you're going to export your stuff over, you need to go into your RekordBox stick. Well, mine's actually an actual RekordBox USB stick. And under General, before you do your export, you want to make sure here it will be default classic. You need to flick it over to alphanumeric, and then you can export your tracks and everything will be fine. That's it. Simple tip and trick, but so many times people come over and they don't understand why everything's in the classic when at home it was showing as the alphanumeric. And that's why. Easy fix. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if you like the channel, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you all soon.